Okay, here we have Toyota Camry 2005, and today I'm gonna show you how you can change the brake light at your home, and that's easy. Okay, you can see that the brake light on the left is working and the right is not working. Here you can see the
back of brake light. We're gonna
back.
change it now.
Okay, back of the brake light, so just open like this. Key structure of the brake light, this is the back structure, and you can easily remove this one. Okay, so from here, okay, this is the brake light. This is not working right now. Brake light for Toyota Camry 2005. You can see the number 3057. If you go to AutoZone and or the Walmart, you can ask for the 3057, the brake light for Toyota Camry 2005. Okay, you can easily remove the bulb from the socket. Okay, just see.
It's not that hard, I guess.
Okay, you can see that the brake light on the right is also working. You can easily see the brake light on both sides. They are working right now. If you go to the mechanic, and they will charge you around 20 to 30 bucks just to fix the brake light. So you can save your 20 to $30 just in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching the video.